Hello and welcome back to 100 Coding Challenges in C#. This is episode 23 and it's called Leisure Center Operators. So today for the challenge we're going to be looking at a quick little case study. So a leisure center charges their members £50 a month. However, they give a discount of £10 for children up to the age of 16 and OAP members who are 60 or over. Write a program that asks the member for their age and display the right amount that they should pay each month. If you'd like to attempt this challenge yourself, then pause the video now and we'll get started. So to start off with, we'll ask the user to enter in their age. So we'll say, how old are you? And then we'll take in their age, store it into an integer variable called age. So we'll convert the input into an int32, do a console.read line inside the convert to int32. And then what we want to do is say if age is less or equals to 16, so that means up to and including 16, or with two pipes, age is greater or equal to 60, then we know that they are getting the discount. So we can say that the price they will be paying is £40, which is a £10 discount off of the £50 subscription price. Otherwise, we can say that how much they will be paying is £50. So £50. And if we save that and run it, how old are you? So if I say I'm 15, I get a £40 subscription price. Let's say I am 20 years old, my subscription price is £50. Let's say I am 60, it's £40, and anything obviously over 60 as well will also be £40. And there you have it, another quick and simple one. I hope you guys are still enjoying this. I know these are a little bit simpler, but these are the fundamentals of programming that you absolutely need in order to build any program whatsoever. So it's good that you practice these and understand how these work completely. So yeah, if you're enjoying them, then make sure to hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment telling me what your thoughts are, how you're finding it, and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified when I upload new videos. I'll see you guys in the next one.